Here are China's infrastructure: high-rise buildings, advanced transportation systems, bridges across the mountains and seas, even in the rural areas, high-rise buildings and concrete roads, which is what China is now. Since 1980, in just 30 years, China has built huge buildings at an amazing speed, and the urban transportation, energy, communications, technology, engineering, airports, hospitals, shopping malls and military affairs are all developing rapidly. No other country in the world can develop as fast as China can develop. China now has the world's largest highway network, a railway network, and a total of more than 140,000 kilometers of expressways. It is no exaggeration to say that 8 of the 10 highest bridges in the world are in China. They build bridges through mountains and rivers, even in the dangerous cliffs and valleys. China takes decades to build them as long as it benefits the people, because the Chinese government's philosophy of work is to serve the people of the whole country. Only when the people live a happy life can the country get better and better. China is not only bridges, but also the largest in the world, with the longest high-speed railway network in the world. In just a decade, its railway mileage has increased by 1.1 million kilometers, equivalent to 27 laps around the Earth's equator. Among them, China's high-speed rail has exceeded 40,000 kilometers. No country in the world can rival China. People who have been to China will know that China's infrastructure cannot be finished for 3 days and 3 nights. If you think they are still very backward and think the Chinese people are still eating bananas, it would be wrong. They have created one world miracle project after another, and even shocked the American engineers and many countries in the West. And many people do not believe this fact, but in fact it is happening. In addition, China is a country like peace and progress. They have helpful spirit. In addition to developing the construction of their own country, they are also helping the rest do the same, through all the way, China to more than 100 countries to build their roads, railways, power plants, ports and other infrastructure, including Egypt, Nigeria, Poland, Pakistan, Italy, Switzerland, Malaysia, and many other countries in the world. Like the Central Tower of Egypt's new capital, a desert project, and the Port of Colombo, Sri Lanka, which China has helped them complete. We believe that in the future, China will shine in the world and make more contributions to world stability and development. Now let's look at the streets of the United States. These are the poor areas of the United States of America. And America spent $2.5 trillion on the war in Afghanistan. Wouldn't it be better if the money was spent on American infrastructure? But this is the state of the United States today, with excessive social civil unrest, racial discrimination and peace, and unequal political parties. People can go out of the street with guns. Girls dare not go out alone at night, and people